their father, Akintoye. Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Resistance Fighters, Biafran Naval, that is headquartered at Bakassi Peninsula. We are not militants. Don't sell this narrative to the Nigerian gutter media. We are pure resistance fighters, fighting to reclaim back our lands. Full military, oppression military. We are not militants. Case of next time, you want to address the Biafran resistance fighters, address them by their names. Biafran Liberation Army. You know. Why do you call us militants? If you have nothing, maybe hidden. We love Chief Sunday Igboho, and we cannot curse anybody who we have said God bless. I could remember back in then days when our PM, when he was our spokesman, he will not end his broadcast without saying, God bless Chief Sunday Igboho, God bless Yoruba agitators, and all those things. We cannot come to reverse that God bless. But please, make sure you are in the same line with us. I believe some of our Oduduwa brothers are listening in this space now, and they can call attention of Koiki. Koiki is a well-educated person. Why posting that? He's supposed to have read that very statement and read it over and over, make some corrections before posting it. Why do you call us militants? We are not militants. And this should be the first and the last we are going to hear this again. Never again will it repeat itself. As I have said, we have tried as much as we can to be friends and to have this alliance work together, make sure we walk out of Nigeria. But do not use it maybe as our weakness. We are not weak. None of you have contributed to Eastern Security Network then. None of the Yoruba people have contributed to Biafran Liberation Army. And yet we are arms, well arms, and the Nigerian government is afraid of us. And you are calling us militants. The same thing you did to the Niger Delta agitators. You call them militants. Then they accepted amnesty, you criminalized them. It is all cooked in Yoruba land. Please, this one should stop. We don't want to have this again. Anybody who call Biafran Liberation Army militants again, be state actor or non-state actor, will have us to contend with. Enough of this. We are not terrorists. Because it will not be hard now. From militant, they will shift to terrorists. We have Biafran Republic government in exile and de facto government operational in homeland. We have our military wings and other sister security agencies. Know that. Maybe if your agitation has not grown into that, pray it grow into that level. Don't call us militant again. Then, as regard to the political solution employed on Chief Sunday Igboho's release, Sunday Igboho congratulated a lot of Yoruba politicians, including Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, the arch-genociders, who spearheaded the Chief of Staff to General Gowon, who spearheaded the killing of innocent Biafran children. That is my problem. He has been released. We are praying for him, and he has not offended us in any way. Tinubu may not have a hand in his release, quite all right. But don't outrightly rule that politicians are not there with the traditional rulers who work hands in hands to ensure his release. But for the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Biafra, Biafran leader, who is speaking for him, you can see even that his own politicians back home are his enemies. They were the ones that spend their own money to ensure that they kidnapped him. But Chief Sunday Igboho has Obasanjo by his side. And Obasanjo is the one that even imprisoned our first, the pen who resurrected the Biafran agitation, Chief Rafu Wazirike. But he ensured that his own is free. Did you see the double standard we don't like? I don't want this issue to be overflogged. I have passed my message, and that's all. Our target is not on ethnicity. Our target is not in any ethnic group. Our target is Nigerian government, and we must continue to do so. Thank you very much. And I welcome all of you to this very space this morning. My co-host, Chief Ralph Ajare, you are on the microphone. Good morning from here.
Yeah, good morning, my comrade. I appreciate you this morning. Wow, this is quite impressive. I just got up this morning and I saw that you're live on space, and I hooked up immediately, and it is something very, very interesting. You have said it all. You've made the point, and you hit the nail on the head. I saw that address from Sunday Igboho. I wasn't encouraged at all. I was so disappointed. But I decided to hold on and wait and see what our Prime Minister will actually say about that. And it is good to know that at this time we really want to, address the issue. And this publication you are talking about, I'm honestly ignorant of it, and I'm happy I'm here for us to trash it out so that these people understand that this generation of Biafrans, we are not low class. We know what we want, and we are smart at it. We're very intelligent at it, and the whole world is aware. Even the zoo are afraid of us. So we are not, fearful or cowards. We don't exercise cowardice in our approach. We are bold, and we are making our demands very clear. And calling us militants or whatever name they want to classify us is not going to deter us. We know who we are. And it's appalling that those we try to align with are the people actually, making some of these statements and putting it out there. And this morning, I thank you, my comrade and fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, those that are, have critical thinking and have ability to really address these issues. I'm happy that we are all here this morning to put it out there and to set the record straight. My name is Raphael Chamaka Jere, aka Pastor Van Van Van. Thank you, Success, and I'm here. Let me know when you want us to bring people in. And our Prime Minister hopefully will be here with us because he already put the post out that he is going to be here. So, Biafrans that are here, please share this space. We need to have a packed house this morning because the PM is on his way to join us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and that is a good one from you. And we Biafrans, and we are pure Republicans, and we respect everyone. Even if you wake up today and say your name is Pig, we cannot say no, your name is not Pig. We will call you by that your name. Can these people for once address us by our name? They called us separatists, they called us secessionists, they called us all sorts of names. We are not deterred. But those of them that are in alliance with us, can they address us with our name and be proud to address us in the same way we address them with their names? These are the things I am talking about. I said my name is Biafran Liberation Army, and you said no, my name is militant. How do you call me militant? If this is the art of old age, please let it stop. Akintoye is a father and is an old man. And if you watch people piloting the affairs of Biafra, we are below 40 years. Just people in the key offices of the Biafran restoration, we are below 40 years. We don't know where life is. Please don't joke with us.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.